Hey WealthWyse family, it's Sam. Today let's bust the myth that you need a six-figure income to build wealth. You can absolutely build wealth on a modest income. The rules are just different. It's not about luck or a big break. It's about small, consistent actions and a mindset shift. Today, I'll show you a practical, step-by-step guide to financial freedom, no matter your paycheck. We'll cover mindset, tracking, saving, skills, debt, and investing, the real pillars of wealth. Ready to take control of your financial future? Let's dive in. First, let's redefine wealth. It's not flashy cars or a big salary. It's what you keep, grow, and protect. You can earn a lot and still be broke if you spend it all. Take Ronald Read, a janitor who quietly built an $8 million fortune by saving and investing small amounts over decades. His story proves wealth is about behavior, not income. Your income is just a tool. Your plan is what matters. Focus on what you do with your money, not what you wish you had. Shift your mindset from "I don't earn enough" to "How can I make the most of what I earn?" Forget the income number. Obsess over your wealth building plan. Now, let's get practical. Step 1. Track every rupee. For the next 30 days, write down every expense. No amount is too small. Use a notebook, spreadsheet, or app. Just be consistent. This isn't about guilt, it's about clarity. You'll spot money leaks, small expenses that add up fast. Once you see where your money goes, you can make smarter choices. Tracking is your first step to taking control. Next, start saving, no matter how small. Don't wait to save thousands. Start with what feels easy, even 10 rupees a day. Automate your savings so it happens before you can spend it. This pay yourself first habit is powerful. As you get comfortable, increase your savings with every raise or expense you cut. Even small amounts grow over time thanks to compounding. Automation makes saving effortless. This is how you build your financial foundation. Saving is great, but boosting your income is key. Invest in learning a high-demand skill. Think digital marketing, coding, or design. Use free or low-cost online resources to learn. Dedicate an hour a day to building your skill. Start freelancing or side hustling as soon as you're ready. Channel extra income straight into savings and investments. This is how you accelerate your wealth journey. Bad debt is the biggest wealth killer. High-interest debt, like credit cards, drains your progress. Use the debt avalanche method. Pay off the highest interest debt first, then move to the next. Every rupee you pay off is a guaranteed return. Avoid new non-productive debt. Getting out of bad debt frees up your income for building wealth. Debt delay equals wealth decay. Act now. Once you're tracking, saving, and tackling debt, start investing, no matter how little. You can begin with as little as 500 rupees a month using mutual funds or index funds via SIPs. Investing is a priority, not an afterthought. Use apps like Grow or Zerodha to get started easily. The earlier you start, the more compounding works for you. Even small investments grow big over time. Don't wait for enough money. Start now. Let time and compounding do the heavy lifting. There you have it, a 5-step plan to build wealth on any income. It's about habits, not magic formulas. Track, protect, and grow your money, one step at a time. Every small action moves you closer to financial freedom. Share your biggest money challenge in the comments. Let's help each other out. Download our free Wealth Starter Kit, link in the description. Subscribe for more practical wealth strategies from WealthWyse. See you next time.